What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan. Today is December the 30th of December, and I'm here to do an unboxing. Oh, unbagging, whichever one you want to call it, but that's what I'm about to do. This is a package I got in the mail, and it's from Difference Clothing, and it's merch that I got that I wanted to come up with, and she do a lot of different stuff from designing to doing imprints and all that stuff. So if you have any idea that you want her to do, she's the person for you. And I don't mind supporting other people. I said the only way for me to support you is you just gotta reach out to me on Instagram for the people who got their own business. And she's the first one that did reach out to me, so I'm gonna support her business. So let me show you what I ordered. Let's see what it is. So I like to do my workouts, whatever I work out in, it gotta be coordinated for me. Let's show y'all. We got the hoodie. Oh, whoa. We have a business card that was in here as well, so y'all can check it out. Be the difference. Look at that, take a picture, pause it. She got all this stuff on here to let you know. Got her different social accounts like Instagram, Facebook, CashApp, YouTube, TikTok. Got all that stuff on here. And it also have a link, email over there so you can go check it out. Her phone number. And on the back, it got some shop now paperbacks and audio book on the back. It's pretty cool, But let's go and show you what I got. Look, this is what I got. Y'all know me. Look at this. It said, I always tell people to go at your own pace and in moderation. So this was the shirt. It said, go at your own pace and moderation. And it got my YouTube at the bottom. It said, TheJ Jordan YouTube channel. And it got my QR code, so if anybody scan it, it should bring you straight to my YouTube channel. And then on the back is the other design I came up with. Look at that. Peace and hair grease. Look at that. Ooh wee. Hey, this is fire. That's fire. It's going down. I gotta try to wear it. I think this is a large. Normally I wear large. I'm gonna try it on. You know what I mean? It feels pretty good, I'm about to wear this on January 1st, January 1st. Wow, this joker fit like perfect. All my hoodies I like the ones with the pocket. So I asked her what kind I like, and she I told her what kind I like, and she found the one I like, and this one fit perfect for me. And then I got this one right here. We got the pants. As you see, we got peace and hair grease on there. On one side, and then on the other side, peace and hair grease. Ooh wee. Yeah. Peace and hair grease. This one a little bit larger. I'm gonna try it on anyway. This is a large. It's also a large. I love the colors though. I love the colors. We're gonna put it on right now so you can look what it look like. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's going down. And it's warm too. It's warm. What we do. Yeah. And you see here, just put it straight on. So whatever y'all do, you make sure this do feel real good. I'm not gonna lie to you. It do feel pretty good. Pretty good, more than good. Feel good. Let's see what else is in the bag though. Because apparently I probably missed something. Now I just wrapped up the wraps, but she came with the card. So that's all we have for right now. So I will tell you, if y'all want to get anything dealing with some clothes, some kind of thing, merch for yourself, she do got deals for you. She willing to work with you. Definitely a people person. Always about positive energy, positive words. Very good person. And as you can see, we got on here, Be the Difference, www. Be the Different Clothing. Well, be the Difference. It said Be the Difference LLC.com, and I have a number. That's that you go to email www. Be the Difference. Oh wait, that's Be the Different LLC. Oh man, I'm over here messing it up. So make sure you go to www.bethedifferencellc.com and you go see more stuff that she got over there. If you want something, just go hit her up. It's easy for me to hit it up on Instagram, but you also she got all the other places you can hit her up. And you go to the website. So make sure you go show us some love. I definitely appreciate it. Be the Difference. I definitely like this. It's definitely warm. I'm definitely going to wear this on the first probably. So with that being said, do stuff at your own pace, own moderation. Make sure you stretch, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And you know, like I always say, peace. You know what I mean? Like I say, peace and hair grease. Ooh wee. Yeah.